All the miserable people in the world think there is something wrong with the creation. All the miserable people in the world think Creator has made a mistake. To explain this mistake or to explain themselves into that mistake, they have all kinds of philosophies. All the philosophies on the planet, if you put them together, all of them together do not have the beauty of a single leaf in this tree. But still it occupies people for a lifetime. Anybody coming up with any kind of philosophy is sacrilege against creation. Nobody has any business even to generate a single thought when so much has been done. If you come here 1,000 lifetimes and 24 hours, if you pay attention, still you will not know a minuscule part of creation. When this kind of creation is here, anybody thinking of their own nonsense is absolute sacrilege.